In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious mango sorbet recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need frozen mango cubed, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the sugar and the water. Add in the lemon juice. We're going to cook this until the sugar is completely dissolved and a syrup starts to form. We're going to transfer this syrup mixture into a glass container and let it cool completely. To a blender, we're going to add in the mango, and a half a cup of our syrup. Blend until completely smooth and there are no chunks left. We're going to pour out our mango mixture into a container. Place this in the freezer overnight to harden. Our mango sorbet recipe is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.